Recently, Vantage Health Plan hosted an open house at the Morehouse General Hospital in Bastrop to let that community know who their personal customer service representative is.
My name is Nicole Harris, and I am the Vantage Business Service Rep for Morehouse Parish. My office is located here at Morehouse General Hospital on the first floor. We're here today celebrating the opening of our new office here at Morehouse General Hospital. We're excited about being able to offer a higher level of service for the citizens of Morehouse Parish. If you have questions or concerns about your insurance coverage, please come by and see me. My office is located on the first floor of Morehouse General Hospital. We're excited about the relationship that we have with Morehouse General Hospital and its providers.
I also spoke with Adrienne Willis, who is the marketing director at Morehouse General Hospital. She said it's great to have Vantage Health Plan right here inside the hospital.
We are so excited to have Vantage here at the hospital. It's been a great benefit for us to have them here with us. I work directly with your Vantage representative here. It's easy to just go in and be able to help our patients and help make sure the communication flows well. It's just exciting. It's an exciting time for us to have them here.
Reporting for Affinity TV Network, I'm Philip Brooks.